Hey everyone, back with another update on my solo game dev journey. Let's dive into what I worked on this week. First, I spent some time in designing the UI and also added timer based button. It gets triggered when the player stands on it. You can see how timer countdowns until the button activates. I also designed another type of button that you can activate by standing on it and pressing space. Next, I focused on character appearance and animations. I found a great 3D character pack on itch.io by KKit and imported them into the project. I have set up animation triggers so now my character can move smoothly in environment. For the next week plan, I will be focusing on creating shaders to enhance the look of the game and start building out 3D environment. I'm really excited for this game and thank you for checking out this week's progress. If you are into solo game development or just curious about how games are made, make sure to like, follow and subscribe for future updates.